Okay, today on Full-Time Meal, we are going to be cooking cheesy bean burritos, which, I mean, super simple, really easy, very tasty. Right, you lot, you all ready to get going?
Hey.
So the ingredients you're going to need are mixed beans, soft tortilla wraps, tomato puree, rice, fajita seasoning, an onion, and some cheese. The kitchen kit you're going to need is one sieve, saucepan, frying pan, grater, wooden spoon, tin foil, a knife, baking tray, your favourite mug. Okay, the first thing we're going to do, measure out 1 mug of rice and you rinse it through cold water just to wash off some of the starches. And just throw it into the pan, boiling water. I mean, don't throw it, just kind of like place it gently, because otherwise you'll splash it all over the place and hurt yourself. And every now and then you'll just give it a little tickle with the spoon. So whilst that's cooking along, I'm gonna get my onion and I'm gonna dice that up. And if you've seen any of these recipes before, you're probably so bored of me telling you how to chop an onion. Slice it down that way, slice it that way, and it'll all be diced. Get a frying pan on the heat, little splash of veg oil, and then throw in the onion. So, when your onions got these lovely little bits of brown caramelised colour on them, that is perfect. You're gonna add a big spoon of fajita spice mix, and give that a quick stir around, and actually as it goes into the pan, it smells incredible. And then into that, we're gonna add 1 large squirt of tomato puree. And what will happen now is that tomato puree begins to cook out and you get this super sweet and spicy mix that's going on in the bottom of this pan. Just check my rice. If it's really crunchy, feels like you're eating plastic, then it's not ready. Or it's nice and soft, it's cooked. So back to the sink and drain it. Bring the rice back, leave it to one side, and you can see in your pan, the tomato puree's gone like a richer, darker colour. And at this point, beans go into the pan. And then stir them into that lovely foundation of flavour that we made in the pan. Then we are going to add the rice. And once you've got it all mixed up, it's ready to start going into our tortillas. Now cheese is a great source of calcium, and mature cheddar like this is full of lovely flavour. I'm going to need about a handful of grated cheese per burrito. Then you get yourself some tin foil, you get your tortilla wrap, get your rice and bean burrito mix. Make sure you leave a gap at both ends. Then get a small handful of cheese, put it over the top, and fold that in, wrap that over the top, and make it nice and tight. This rice mix is going to make 4 super filled burritos. Once you've got them wrapped, you go into the oven till the cheese is melted. Right then. Quite hot. Cheese would have melted. That is a substantial super filler that's perfect for now or your lunch boxes. Let me see how you get on using the hashtag #FullTimeMeals and follow our page for loads more recipes.